So in this video, we are given this quadratic function and we are required to identify the vertex as maximum or minimum. One thing we need to know is that if a is greater than 0 or a is what positive, right? Then the vertex is what minimum, right? And the graph opens what? Upwards. Pardon me for my writing. So if what? A is less than 0 or a is what? Negative, then the vertex is what? Is maximum. And the graph right, opens downward. Okay, so what I'm trying to explain here is that we only need the value of a, and the value of a is the coefficient of x squared. And if you look at this, if you compare with what? Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, it implies that what? A in this case is equal to 1, right, which is greater than 0, which is what? Positive, right? So that implies that the what? Vertex is what? Minimum, and therefore the graph opens upward. So basically, if you plot this graph, this is how it's gonna be, because the vertex is what? Minimum. So this is where the vertex will be. Minimum is on -1. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.